the pirate room at the Disney's Caribbean Resort, and I love it when you walk in. You come into these awesome pirate ships. They are full beds, though. Just something to know. But how cool is that pirate ship? Like, who doesn't want to sleep in a pirate ship? And then you've got your table with the compass, a little note from the GM. How fun are the drawers? Just like you would see on a boat. But the fridge is in a barrel. How cool is that? Lots of fun details. Got another barrel over there. And then covering your bathroom is the skull from Pirates of the Caribbean. And then we're gonna open her up. But I like this, look at the top. You can see that they've used swords for like the railing. That's cute. Okay, so here we go. Into the bathroom. You have a little more of that ship feel. And the mirror is really cool. Lots of detail in there with the, looks like the skulls, kind of like the coins. Yeah, and then in the bathroom, you've got a pirate shower curtain. And that's it. So that is what you get when you have the Caribbean Resort Pirate Room. It's pretty awesome, matey. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day.